Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the account already connected error in Mobile Legends. First, make sure you're signing in with the correct account. This error usually appears when the account is already linked to another Mobile Legends profile. Next, switch your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, you can switch to Wi-Fi. Then try signing in again. After that, if that doesn't work, you can go to your phone's app store. Then you can search Mobile Legends and check if there's any update available. Installing the latest version can help fix bugs and account related bugs. You can also go to your phone settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, then search for Mobile Legends. Then you can tap offload app. This can sometimes solve your problem. If the error still appears, open account center in Mobile Legends and check which account is currently linked. If needed, contact Mobile Legends customer service to request help with changing or recovering your account. Finally, restart your phone and sign in Mobile Legends again. That is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.